Cancer is one of the most feared diseases in the world. But here's the good news. What you eat every day can actually help lower your risk. Certain foods are packed with compounds that protect your cells, fight inflammation, and strengthen your immune system to keep cancer at bay. Today, we're diving into the top 10 anti-cancer foods that are backed by real scientific research. And trust me, number 3 is one you'll definitely want to start eating more of. Stick around till the end to see how simple it is to give your body powerful protection through food. All right, let's get into it, starting with number 10. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which can help prevent cell damage and slow the growth of cancer cells. According to research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, berry extracts have been shown to reduce tumor growth in animal studies. Plus, they're delicious and easy to add to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. 9. Broccoli and other cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts all contain sulforaphane, a powerful compound that's been shown to kill cancer cells, reduce inflammation, and boost detoxification in the liver. Broccoli sprouts are young broccoli plants that contain significantly higher levels of sulforaphane than mature broccoli. A Johns Hopkins University study found that sulforaphane significantly reduced the size and number of cancer cells in lab tests. Steam or lightly sauté them to get the most benefit. 8. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds, particularly allicin, that have been linked to cancer prevention. Studies from the National Cancer Institute show that regular consumption of garlic may lower the risk of cancers of the stomach, colon, and esophagus. For the biggest benefit, crush or chop garlic and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking to activate its protective compounds. 7. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols and catechins, especially EGCG, which can block tumor growth and prevent cancer cell spread. Research published in Cancer Research found that green tea polyphenols suppressed cancer cell development in breast and prostate cancer models. Aim for 2 to 3 cups per day for consistent benefits. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of the best sources of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their red color. Lycopene has been linked to a lower risk of prostate and lung cancers. According to the Journal of the National Cancer Institute, men with higher blood levels of lycopene had a 30% lower risk of developing prostate cancer. Cooked tomatoes, like in sauces or soups, actually release more lycopene than raw ones. 5. Turmeric. Turmeric's active ingredient, curcumin, has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Multiple studies, including one from Cancer Letters Journal, show that curcumin can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent tumors from spreading. Pair it with black pepper for better absorption, and try adding it to curries, soups, or even smoothies. 4. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard. Leafy greens are loaded with carotenoids, folate, and fiber, all known to reduce the risk of several cancers. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed more leafy greens had a significantly lower risk of breast and colon cancer. These greens also help the body detoxify harmful compounds before they can do damage. 3. Mushrooms, especially shiitake, maitake, and reishi. Mushrooms contain beta-glucans and polysaccharides that boost immune function and may slow cancer cell growth. Research from the International Journal of Cancer found that regular mushroom consumption was linked to a 34% reduced risk of breast cancer. They're also rich in vitamin D and antioxidants, making them one of the most underrated superfoods out there. 2. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have strong anti-inflammatory effects and may help slow cancer development. Studies in cancer epidemiology, biomarkers, and AMP prevention found that people who consumed more omega-3s had a lower risk of colorectal and prostate cancers. Try grilling or baking fish 2 to 3 times per week for best results. 1. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, quinoa. Whole grains are high in fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients that protect cells from DNA damage. A meta-analysis in nutrition reviews showed that higher whole grain intake was linked to a reduced risk of colorectal cancer. Choose minimally processed grains like oats, barley, or quinoa over refined carbs for maximum protection. So there you have it, the top 10 anti-cancer foods that are proven to protect your body. From antioxidant-packed berries to immune-boosting mushrooms and omega-rich salmon, these simple foods can help lower your cancer risk and keep your cells strong. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these foods do you already eat? And which one are you adding to your diet starting today? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's trying to live a healthier life. And stay tuned, because I've got more science-backed nutrition videos coming your way every week.